Okay, what have we got today? Looks like tires, tubes, and wheels. Isn't that right, Millie? Yeah, you don't look so sure. Anyway, this is what we're going to be doing. We've got some Vittoria Zaffiro Pro Graphene 28c tires. Got some new tubes that I got on the shelf, and they'll fit those wheels that are going to go on the Bianchi build whenever all that stuff arrives. So let's reset up the camera and see if I can't get some time lapse of me doing this. Okay, I'm going to hold this real still now. There we are. There are our Vittoria Zaffiro Pro Graphene 2.0s, 700x28s mounted on our Bianchi wheels. And this is the next day. They haven't lost any air. They look seated well. Beads are strong. And I think they look fantastic. They're just about ready. I'm waiting on a few parts, but things are starting to come together, and I'll get that build video out, well, when it happens. Should make a real nice bike. I really can't wait. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned.